The power of collagen. What it is and how to use it to look younger. Hi viewers, and welcome to another video. In this video, we have another amazing boost of information for you. We will be talking about collagen. So watch until the end and thank us later. Collagen is a protein that is found in the connective tissue of the body, including the skin, bones, tendons, and ligaments. It is an important structural component of these tissues and plays a vital role in maintaining their strength and integrity. Collagen is also a key component of the skin's extracellular matrix, which helps to give the skin its structure and support. As we age, the production of collagen in the body naturally decreases, leading to the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and a loss of skin elasticity. This is why collagen is often used in cosmetics and personal care products as a way to support healthy skin and promote a youthful appearance. While we can't stop the aging process, we can take steps to boost collagen production to improve the appearance and health of our skin, hair, nails, muscles, and joints. Ways to use it to look younger. There are several ways in which collagen can be used to support healthy skin and a youthful appearance. For example, it is often added to facial creams, serums, and other skincare products to help improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Collagen supplements may also be taken orally in the form of pills or powders to support skin health from the inside out. Collagen can help improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, as well as improve skin hydration, which can help with dryness and dullness. While it may not provide results as dramatic as plastic surgery or injectables, it can be a natural way to address concerns about the appearance of the skin. To support collagen production and improve the appearance and health of your skin, consider using vitamin C supplements and skincare products that contain collagen-boosting ingredients like vitamin C, retinol, and essential amino acids. You can also try using retinol to stimulate collagen production, eating a nutritious diet that is rich in protein, and using collagen supplements. A healthy diet, sufficient hydration, and enough sleep can support the production of collagen. It is important for maintaining a youthful appearance, including healthy skin, strong nails, and shiny hair. While we can't stop the aging process, we can support our bodies and give collagen a boost to help us maintain a youthful appearance. Take care of yourselves by boosting collagen in your body and achieving a radiant, healthy appearance.